So traders, I want to do a quick little update on the S&P 500, but looking at the weekly chart, there's something really interesting happening here. So let's get straight into it. Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Alrighty traders, so let's get straight into this quick little update here for you. I want to show you here. For the last, as you can see, this is a weekly chart here, and we're looking at the bars right now, and we're going back since the peak of the end of 2021, and you can see how we've actually had a very nice move down, and we've got all this resistance up here, resistance here, and a nice little resistance through here as well too. But you can see, look what's actually happened here recently. So recently it actually broke to the upside. And then again, this is a weekly chart. So every single one of these represents 5 trading days, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then recently you can see it came down and bounced off that line. Now, why is that so important? Why is that important to us as traders? Well, the big overall picture says, okay, we've came down and we bounced up. So the really big key thing I'm watching for right now myself on the S&P 500 is what happens next, because that could be a really big key here. What happens next is, firstly, is that if we do start to rally back up like this and we start to break above these highs up here, then that could be, guess what, a test of this significant resistance now. Resistance is now becoming support, but will it fail? And if so, a big drop could be coming around the corner. But again, if it doesn't fail and we start to get up, then the market is going to tell us that, okay, we're now probably getting ready to move to the upside in a big way, as you can see through here. But on the flip side is what happens if we do start to get something like this. Now, let me share this with you here. What happens if the market goes up, fails, and then we start to get a bit of a turnaround? So let's actually do that again, right? So we'll go from here. And what happens if the market goes up this week and we do something like this week, like that, and then we break back below? What would that mean? That would mean that, guess what? This resistance here, and a resistance here. Over the last 12 months, we've had 4 areas of strong resistance, and now it's support. If it fails, it's going to become resistance again, and then we're probably likely to get a big drop in the markets.